If I tell you on this platform you can register AFA bundle with as low as 4 Ghana cedis, you won't believe. Just come, let me show you. On this platform, you just register AFA bundle with 4 Ghana cedis, and we know that AFA bundle, it gives you access to call anyone who has also registered on the AFA bundle for free by just giving you 800 free call minutes and also giving you 200 minutes to call MTN AFA which are not registered on AFA bundle, as well as free 20 minutes to call other networks being Airtel to go or Telecel as well. Okay, so on this platform you can just register yourself on AFA bundle, and also they have data packages that are very low, they are very affordable, that you can just buy it on your MTN, Airtel to go or Telecel as well. So if you want to register on this platform, you just check through the description, the first link, tap on the first link, then you'll be landed at the website page, and this website is called Swanzy stores. Okay, so if you want to register, you see the menu icon here, you click on it, then you click on register here. So at the registration page, you are required to enter your username. You enter any username that you want. You enter your first name, you enter your last name, you enter your phone number, you enter your email address, and also you set your password, then you confirm your password here. Then from there, you accept the terms and conditions here, then you click on the register button to register, and after registration you'll be logged in. And anytime you want to log in, you just check the menu icon, the login button, you click on the login, then you enter your login credentials based on your registration credentials that you input. Okay, and when you log in, you see your dashboard, and here they've stated clearly that they work from Mondays to Sunday from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. from Mondays to Sunday, but on Sundays they work from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. yeah, because of church activities and stuff. Okay, so if you want to go ahead to buy your AFA bundles, buy your data packages at affordable prices on MTN, Airtel to go and Vodafone, you click on the menu icon here, you click on shop. So here you see they have the Airtel to go package here, the MTN data packages here, and the Telecel packages as well here. So on this platform you can be a retailer, that is you buy at a wholesale price from this site and sell it to your friends or your customers to at retail prices. Okay, so if you want the MTN data, all that you have to do is to click on the MTN here. Then here they've stated clearly that the data bundle is not beneficiary to any SIM which is a broadband SIM, a table net SIM, or transfer SIM. Take note of that. Okay, and here you enter the beneficiary number. The beneficiary number, you enter the number which you want the data bundle to be transferred to. If you want 1 gig on your number, you enter your number here. Or if someone wants to buy data from you and if you want to use this platform to sell the data to your friend, you just enter the person's number here, then you select the bundle type ranging from 1 gigabyte through to 100 gig. Okay, you can see the 1 gigabyte data bundle is 5 cedis, the 2 gig is 950 pesos, the 3 gig is 14 cedis, the 5 gig is 24 cedis, the 10 gig is 43 cedis. So you can use this to make quick cash by just doing data reselling business. Okay, so here if your friend wants 1 gig from you, can sell the 1 gig to your friend at around, let's say, 750 pesos or 7 cedis, then you make a profit of 2 cedis. With a 10 gig you can sell it with as low as 48 cedis or even 50 cedis, and you make a whooping profit from this. Okay, so this business, me personally, I've been doing it, I've been getting a lot of cash from this business. So why don't you also try to use this business to make some cool cash at the online space? Okay, so for instance, if you want the 1 gig, you select the 1 gig here, then you enter the number here, for instance like this. So after entering the number, then you click on send bundle. Here it says, are you sure you want to send 1 gigabyte to this number? Then you click on the confirm. So you see it says your balance is low. So before you be able to buy data from this platform, unless you load your account. So how do you do that? You just go to the menu icon here, you click on wallet, then here you just click on wallet top up here. Then here you enter the amount that you want to top up. If you want to top up with 50 cedis, you enter 50 cedis here, you click on add here. So here this is the billing details. Okay, so after setting your name when registering on the site, your billing details will be here, your first name, your last name, and also the phone number that you used to register an account on will be there. Okay, and you see the additional information here. It says note about your order, example special note for delivery. So because you want to top up, you enter wallet top up. Then from there you click on place order. Then here you select pay with mobile money. Then here you enter the mobile money number that you want the amount to be deducted from. Then you select its corresponding provider. If it is MTN, you select MTN. If it is a 30 go or 30, then you select that one too as well. From there, click on confirm. Then here, one time pin will be sent to the number you input there. Then you confirm by pasting the number. Then you authorize the payment, and from there MTN or Airtel or Vodafone will send you a payment prompt. Then you enter your mobile money pin to confirm transaction, as you can see here. Then after making the payment and receiving alert from MTN through mobile money, then refresh your account on the site. Then the amount that you deposited will reflect in your account, as simple as that, as you can see here. And after making deposit through your mobile money to your account on this site, you go to the menu icon and then you see the amount will reflect here, as simple as that. Then you go ahead to purchase your preferred MTN bundle, Airtel bundle, Teresa bundle, as well as that of the AFA registration. Okay, so let's go through some of their data packages. So the Airtel packages, you click on the Airtel, you see the data package that they have ranges from 1 gig through to 20 gig. Okay, so the 1 gig is 450 pesos on our 30 go, 2 gig is 850 pesos, the 10 gig is 39 cedis, the 20 gig is 72 cedis on a 30 go. Okay, let's check that of the Vodafone or Teresa here. So the Teresa bundles, you see the packages, it ranges from 5 gig. 5 gig is 23 cedis, 10 gig is 43 cedis, 15 gig is 64 cedis, 50 gig is 190 cedis. Okay, in that order. Then all of them, they follow the same procedure. When you are buying a 30 go bundle, Vodafone bundle or MTN bundle, it follows the same procedure. You just select the bundle size or the bundle package, then you enter the number, then you click on buy now, and go ahead to just purchase your data from the platform. Okay, and if you want to register on AFA bundle, it's very simple. You click on the AFA registration here, then here you take note of the following details that you need to enter here. So it says enter AFA registration details in order. Okay, so here is enter the name here, your name, you enter the contact here. The contact is the phone number that you want to register the AFA bundle on, you get it. And the card ID here, you enter your Ghana card. Okay, at first they used to enter the voters ID or the Ghana card, but now Ghana card is the easiest and the simplest. So you enter your Ghana card here by following the format, which starts with GHA hyphen, then the numbers here. Okay, and also the ending number ends with the hyphen. Okay, so the hyphen, then the last number. Okay, you enter your location. If you are from Tamaniutan, you enter it. If you are from Ashaiman, if you are from Kumasi, any part of Kumasi, you enter the location. The important aspect is the occupation. The occupation, always enter farmer. Okay, you enter farmer. Then the produce on farm, you enter coffee. As simple as that, as you can see it here. So you follow this format so as to enter your AFA registration details, and after that you just click on the request registration and follow the prompt to just make the payment. And from there, the number that you want to register the AFA bundle on will be registered, as simple as that, within some short minutes from the Swanzy store. So basically this is everything about the Swanzy stores. So if you want affordable data on MTN, Airtel, Vodafone, as well as getting yourself registered on the AFA bundle, you can use this platform to just make your purchases and your registrations from the Swanzy stores, as simple as that. And also, if you are facing any issue concerning making deposits or making some orders, you can see the WhatsApp icon here. Just click on it and it will direct you to the customer service, of which it will attend to you, of which your issue will be resolved, as simple as that. Here's the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning videos like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.